So you know that here center of the ellipse is origin here, and here OA is equal to units, OA dash is also a unit here. Total this length here a unit here, and this is also a unit here. That is this CA and CA dash both are a unit here, and CB is a B, and CB dash is also B here. This length is a B unit. This length is also B unit here. And in this case, A is greater than B. Okay. So A is greater than B. Then equation of this ellipse is x square divided by A square plus y square divided by B square is equal to 1 here. Okay. In this case, here A is this one, B is this one here. A is a horizontal distance, B is a vertical distance. A is greater than B. Then equation of this ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1 here. In this case, coordinate of the point A becomes A is 0 here. A comma 0, and A dash becomes minus A 0, minus A comma 0 here. Later, this point is S here. Take this one as S and S dash here. Okay, so S is the focus here. S dash is also one more focus here. So therefore S and S dash both are foci. Foci here. Sometimes it is abbreviated as a foci also. Okay. So sometimes we said this means this focus yes. S dash, those are called foci or foci also. You already proved so CS is equal to A into E. In the theorem you already proved here. Yes, coordinate the point S here. S lies on the x-axis here. So it's a coordinate here AE comma 0. On x-axis y coordinate always 0. Similarly S dash here. It's a S dash lies on the left side here, so it's a coordinate here minus AE comma 0, minus AE comma 0, and this is a letter sector here. This letter sector parallel to y-axis here, having a distance A to E here. Therefore, equation of this letter sector is x is equal to A into E here, and equation of this letter sector is x is equal to minus A into E here, because it is the left side here, so it is its equation is minus of A into E. X equal to E is the equation of letter sector, x equal to minus E is the equation of this letter sector. Next, take this point as Z here, and this one as Z dash, Z and Z dash here. You already proved. So CZ is equal to A upon EF. Already proved in the theorem. Yes, CZ is A upon E. Coordinate of that becomes A upon E, comma 0. So similarly, coordinate of this Z dash is minus A upon EF, minus of A divided by E, comma 0. Minus A upon E comma 0. Okay, minus A upon E comma 0, and it is a plus A upon E comma 0. And this is a directrix here. This directrix parallel to y-axis having this distance A upon E. Therefore, equation of this directrix is x is equal to A divided by E here. This is also directrix. It lies the left side here. Therefore, its equation is x is equal to minus of A divided by E, minus A upon E. And you proved here L dash, Ls is 2 here, sorry, B square by A. Then this is a semi-letter second, length of semi-letter second. Hence the coordinate of L becomes, this is a unit here, sorry, this is a AE, CS is equal to what here? E. This distance is a E. Therefore, its x coordinate is a AE here, and this distance, this height, B square upon A, B square divided by A. Therefore, coordinate of L is AE comma B square by A. This is in the which quadrant here? Fourth. In the fourth, x positive, y negative. So coordinate of L dash becomes AE minus of B square divided by A. L1, this is in the second quadrant here. Second quadrant x negative, y positive. So it's a coordinate minus AE B square divided by A. This is the third quadrant here. In the third quadrant, x negative, y also negative. Therefore, it's a coordinate minus AE minus of B square divided by A. And this is the x-axis here. It is called a major axis here. So, here x is called a major axis. Major axis here. And equation of x-axis always y is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the major axis is y equal to 0. And here y-axis is called a minor axis here. It is called a minor axis. So, its equation is x is equal to 0. If this is the ellipse here, then axis, major axis is x-axis, y equal to 0 here. Minor axis is x-axis, y-axis, its equation x equal to 0. This is a major axis, this is a minor axis. Its equation is y equal to 0, its equation is x is equal to 0 here. And the length of the lattice sector here, you already proved here, L dash is 2b square divided by A. So this length is L and dash. Even this also L1 L1 dash. Both are similar here. L dash, L1 L dash, because diagram is symmetrical about x-axis as well as y-axis here. Yes, these two distances are same here. These two heights are same here. Therefore, its length is 2b square divided by A. So these are all important results for the ellipse x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1A. Suppose if you shift this ellipse, center of the ellipse origin here, suppose if you shift the ellipse to some other point h comma k, then all the coordinates and their equation changes here. Okay, now I am explain that one here. So here, in this case, ellipse, whose the center is origin here. You just shift this ellipse to some other point here, means you are changing center from origin to some other point h comma k. The meaning here this distance h detail total here from this center to this one, it becomes h, and this height becomes a k units. Height becomes a k units. Therefore, just like a parabola, you just add h to x coordinate and k to y coordinate here. Or where there is x, you add h here. Where there is y, you add k. In these cases, therefore, here x coordinate h, y coordinate k, h comma k. Then focus s is there. So in this case, here add h and here add k here. So AE plus h, AE plus h comma k. It's the focus here. Even here also, here add h and add k here. Minus AE plus h here. Minus of AE plus h comma k. These are the foci of the ellipse here. Then here, in this case, adding h and adding k, a plus h comma k. This part here, it is a plus h comma k. And the coordinate of this part here, add h here, add k, minus a plus h, comma k. These are the vertices here. A and A dash. A and A dash are the vertices of the ellipse here. Then here coordinate of the point z is a upon e comma 0. Here add h and add k. Here this point. So a upon e plus h comma k. And here coordinate of this point. Adding h and adding k. So minus of a upon e plus h comma k. Okay. Then the coordinate of L, adding h and adding k, coordinate of this point here. Okay. So ae plus h comma b square upon a, b square upon a plus k. Adding h and adding k. Add h, add k. So ae plus h minus of b square divided by a plus k. Coordinate of L1, add h here and add k. Coordinate of this point here, minus of ae plus h b square divided by a plus k. And the coordinate of L1 dash is adding h and adding k. So minus ae plus h, so b square divided by a plus k. These are the vertices of ends of the letter center. The equation of this letter center is x equal to e here. Where there is x, add h here. Therefore, equation of this letter center is x is equal to e plus h here. Here also x is there, add h here. Equation of this letter center is x is equal to minus e plus h. And equation of this directrix x equal to a upon is there. So x here, so add h. Equation of this directrix x equal to a upon e plus h. Even here also equation of this directrix is x equal to minus a upon e. So equation of this directrix is x is equal to minus a upon e plus h. Okay. And here this is a major axis in this case here. Here this is a new major axis and this is a new minor axis. And you know that here total this distance is h unit here. This height is k units. Okay. Therefore equation of this new major axis becomes y is equal to k. Total this height is a k unit here. Therefore equation of this new major axis is y is equal to k. Then this is the minor axis here, having a distance h unit here. Total here to here, total this distance is h unit. Therefore equation of minor axis becomes x is equal to h. Simple. Where there is y, add k. Where there is x, add h here. Here in this case, just observe here. Here x equal to 0 here. In this case, minor axis is x equal to 0, add h here. So equation of this minor axis is x equal to h. And this is what your major axis. It is a new major axis having a distance k unit here. You just add k here. So y is equal to k. And length of the letter center is same, 2b square upon a only. Length of the letter center. So length of letter center is same here, 2b square divided by a only. In both cases, this case and this one here. And here this distance a unit, this distance is a unit here. This a, this is also a. Okay. Therefore, these are the important formulas. Suppose if you shift the ellipse to some other point h comma k, then the equation of this ellipse becomes x minus h whole square divided by a square plus y minus k whole square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Okay. So in this case center of the ellipse is origin, and in this case center of the ellipse is h comma k. Here center of the ellipse is original. Here center of the ellipse is h comma k. In that case, the equation of the ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 here. So these are all very important results here. For solving examples, you must know all these results here. Okay. So one more ellipse here. Ellipse like this here. In this case, y-axis is the major axis here. X-axis becomes a minor axis. Here it is a major axis here, and this is a minor axis here. Because here this is a unit here. This is a unit and this is a b unit here. Therefore, in this case, a is less than b here. So this is a and this is a b here. Therefore, a less than b. In this case, equation of this ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Here a is less than b. Okay. So I took wrong here because take this one as a b here. Okay. So this side has a b units here and this distance a unit. Okay. This is a and this is also a. Therefore, here a is less than b. A is less than b. So therefore, this is called a major axis and this is called a minor axis here. And you know, equation of x-axis always y is equal to 0 here, and equation of y-axis is always x equal to 0. These are the equation of major axis and minor axis here. So center of the ellipse is originally, okay, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Where a less than b here, then ellipse is in like this here. Y axis becomes a major axis here. Then the coordinate of the point S becomes so 0 b e here. Coordinate of S dash is 0 minus of b e. And the coordinate of point B here, A. Coordinate of point A, so 0 comma B here. Coordinate of A dash, so 0 minus of B here. Coordinate of Z becomes so 0 B square divided by A, and the coordinate of Z dash is 0 minus of B square divided by A. Okay, just a minute. It is a square by b, not b square by a. So a square by b, a square by b here, and this becomes a minus of a square divided by b. And this is a letter sector here. Equation of the letter sector. This is a line parallel to x-axis here. Therefore, equation of this letter sector is y is equal to be. And the equation of this letter sector is y is equal to minus b into e, minus b. And the equation of this directrix here, this height is a square by b here. So y is equal to a square divided by b. Here this line parallel to x-axis here. Similarly, this is a directrix here parallel to x-axis. Its equation is y is equal to minus of a square divided by b. And coordinate of the point here. In this case, here this is so this is a b here, and this is a this is a b. The site is the B. Okay, and this is a actually it's a B by ear, not a square by B. It is a B upon E. And here also it is a minus of B divided by ear, and this is a minus of B divided by ear. And here this height means this distance is B square upon ear. So therefore coordinate of L is B square divided by A comma B ear. And L1 L dash minus of B square divided by A and B. It is in the second quadrant here. Second x negative, y positive. And this is a fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant x positive here. So B square divided by A and y is a negative minus of B here. And L1 dash both are negative minus of B square divided by A and minus of B here. Okay, so this height CZ is A upon E. Since its equation is y equal to B and this equation is y equal to minus B. Coordinate of z is 0 comma B and coordinate of z dash is 0 minus B here. Okay, and this length of the lattice rectum here. Length of lattice rectum is 2a square divided by B here. 2a square by B. And one more thing, this is a very important result here. A square is equal to B square into 1 minus of E square here. If you want to find eccentricity of the ellipse here, for this ellipse here, for this ellipse, eccentricity of the ellipse is given by A square is equal to B square into 1 minus E square, or you can write E square is equal to 1 minus of A square divided by B square here. And the previous case, especially in the previous case means if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B, in that case eccentricity is obtained by B square is equal to A square into 1 minus of E square, or E square is equal to 1 minus B square divided by A square here. It is the previous case here. In the previous case, if you want to find eccentricity, use this formula. And for this ellipse, A less than B, eccentricity obtained by using this formula. So, A square is equal to B square to 1 minus C square, or A square is equal to 1 minus A square upon B square. Here A square by B square is there, and here B square upon A square. This is for previous case, and this is for ellipse x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to where A less than B. This is for this ellipse, this is for previous cases. Okay, remember it. Even here also you can shift the origin from origin to some other point h comma k. Then their respective coordinates and equations are changes here. Here coordinate of s is 0 b, so add h and add k. So therefore coordinate of this focus is h be plus k. Here adding h, adding k. So coordinate of this focus is so h minus of be plus k. And coordinate of a h comma b plus k. So h b plus k, and the coordinate of this point here h minus of b plus k. Coordinate of this point z. So here this coordinate here. So h b upon e plus k, and coordinate of this point is this again. Coordinate of this point is so h minus of b upon e plus k. Then coordinate of L. So this becomes b square upon a plus h and b plus k, b plus k. Then the coordinate of L dash becomes here, means this part here, minus of b square divided by a plus h, so be plus k. And the coordinate of this point, means this one here, coordinate of this point is so b square divided by a plus h minus of b plus k. Then the coordinate of this point means this here minus of b square by a plus h comma minus of b plus k. And the equation of this letter sector here, why is there? So add k, equation of this letter sector is y is equal to be plus k, and the equation of this letter sector is this one here. So this is y is equal to minus of be plus k. Equation of this directrix here is this one. Equation of this directrix is y is equal to b upon e plus k, and equation of this directrix is y is equal to minus b upon e plus k. Okay, and again here length of the letter sectum same here. Okay, length of letter sectum, so same here 2b square divided by a, and the eccentricity is obtained by, so a square is equal to b square into 1 minus of e square, or e square is equal to 1 minus of a square divided by b square. It is means this formula is common to both this ellipse as well as this ellipse here. Okay, it is common to both ellipses here. So these are the important results here. So where there is x, add h here. Where there is a k, sorry, where there is y, add a k. That is important results here.